6% dial.
Garrett J. White, the authentic entrepreneur, coming at you real, raw, and relevant. And this, my friends, is the Business Breakthrough. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you an idea about systems. Now, one of the acronyms of systems that I've shared with you before is saving you stress, time, energy, and money.
Saving you stress, time, energy, and money.
Now, I didn't make this up myself. I think it was Mark Victor Hansen or Jack Canfield or somebody. I don't remember. I think it was those two. I'm going to give them credit right now, though. And if it wasn't you guys, well, that's fantastic. And if you're actually watching this video, congratulations, and hopefully you're getting some value.
Anyways, let's come back over to the conversation over here. So systems, saving you time, energy, stress, and money. Okay, so systems, time, energy, stress, and money. When we look at that idea, then one of the things I'm going to talk about with systems today is we're going to talk about simple. I'm going to talk about how to keep my systems simple. Simplicity is the basis. I just made up a word. Basis of power when it comes to your business. If your systems are complex, you get complicated. So I go into this workshop and there's this guy, programmer, right? Really fast HTML guy. And he gets up there and he's a big Facebook Jedi. And I come up into the event and he writes up this big, huge model on the board. And he says,
Okay, and this does this and this and this and this and this and this.
and I'm a pretty smart guy. And I'm sitting right down, I'm going, huh? I don't know what the hell you're talking about. I couldn't even figure out where to fit myself into the mechanism. Now, does that mean that this week has been a struggle? My mouth is just completely not up with my yeah, damn it, there it is again.
Anyways, okay.
So anyways, I'm sitting in that space and I'm listening to him and I'm like, my goodness, I'm a pretty smart guy, but I still can't keep up with what's going on. Too often in our businesses, we create systems that are too complex. We create the complexity because it's easier to be complex than it is to be simple. Think about speaking, right? Think about sharing a message. If I give you an hour, it's pretty easy for you to just ramble for an hour.
Blah, 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 blah.
Some of you are going, oh my goodness, are you freaking kidding me? I'd rather kill myself, slip my wrist and do push-ups and alcohol than speak for an hour. But for most of you, I gave you an hour to share, or I gave you 25 pages to write your message. Great. But if I give you 200 words, or I give you 5 minutes, in order to get across the same message, things change because you had to simplify. So simplify your business. And when we look at our systems and our business here at Pay to Play Academy, here's a couple things we've looked at. How can we do less and create more? Huh? How can I do less and create more? How can I do less and create more? One of the ways you can do this is with autoresponder online content. What I mean by that is taking the stuff that you normally teach
Over and over and over and over and over again.
particularly the kind of stuff that you would like people to get an introduction to what you do and how you do, kind of like this show. Create it for free and put it online and automate it.
Automate it.
Now, one of the things that catch up when your system is that when you're creating this free content online and you're keeping it simple, here's some basics, here's some principles, here's some things I do, make sure you're collecting data from them, or you have a way for them to be able to take the next step with you. So in the beginning of your system is, what is the one simple thing that you could put online right now that would be consumable in an on-demand format in the next 24 hours for somebody who's a potential client, customer, or a purchaser of the product, service, or experience that you're offering?
Whoa.
What could you put online and how could you keep it simple? Simple, 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 simple. Simple message, simple consumption, simple step. Simple message, simple consumption, simple step.
Simple message, simple consumption, simple step.
What is the product going to be? What is the step going to be afterwards? And how do they step deeper into your funnel by using this simple process? So look at your space. Though you can build the huge, wide graph and chart, how do you make it simple? How could you do it in 4 boxes? How could you do it in 3 steps instead of 17? How could you do it in 2 steps instead of 7? How could you do it in 1 step, if that's even possible? So my name is Garrett J. White, and this has been the Business Breakthrough, reminding you to be real, be raw, be relevant, and most importantly, too, keep it simple, you son of a gun. Be authentic.